130 kilometers or 1 hour and a half away from Lisbon by taking the A2 road, we can find Comporta in Alcácer do Sal. This is a place filled with summer magic and smells of holidays and freedom. An equivalent to the Hamptons in Portugal, it is a secluded, exclusive and chilled place to spend the summer month. The name Comporta, roughly translated, means a gate that holds back water, a floodgate, which makes sense when you see how many canals there are. This is rice paddy land with many beaches, and among one of them is Praia do Carvalhal, where we are headed to. When we arrive to the Praia do Carvalhal, we can check the beach bars. One of them is part of a hotel chain that is quite famous here. It's Sublime. And we are about to dip our toes in the sand and in the water. Hi everyone, I'm here in Comporta. It's my first time here and I'm going to explore the beach. After a full day of beach, we went to Alcácer do Sal. Alcácer is a nice little town with a beautiful river, where you can dine for a much lower price that you could find in Comporta. We went to a restaurant called Alprendre, which is a porch in Portuguese, and the specialties there were fried cuttlefish, choco frito, and a chocolate mousse cake that was amazing. So this is a nice little idea for a road trip if you are in Lisbon. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give it your like, and see you next time.